What? Well, I got the job done, I guess. It was hard reeling him in. He's stronger than I was. I had to give it to the boys. But teamwork is what it's all about. Yay.
Hey, we're down here at Townsend & Sons. We've been out all day. Lottie finally got on the gator. This was the size range we were looking for. A lot of gators. You had to pass up some big gators, some smaller gators. This is in the 7 to 8 foot range that we were after. A perfect gator. And she's going to tell you how excited she is.
I am ecstatic. Heart throbbing, you know, blood, adrenaline rush. So it's all worth it. It's a great experience. And I'm pumped. So there you go.
She was using the Bone Wild AR-15 300 blackout. It's really cool. It has a side discharge on it. You don't see many ARs like that. ARDaddy.com. It's the only one on there like that. But we're down here at Townsend & Sons, LaBelle, Florida. Get a hold of Daniel, Victor your hunt. Hey, as always, awesome time down here at Townsend & Sons. That's it. I don't know, we had fun. Hey, great time down here at Townsend & Sons, as always. If you're wanting to get down, we're done.